In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw from FundedNext to Binance on FundedNext. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to app.fundednext.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, it should look something like this once you get into your account. And here you'll need to go over to the left hand corner, and then from here you'll need to open up the menu and go down to payout. Once from here, it should look something like this where you can see an overview of all of your money inside of your FundedNext account. And once from here, you'll need to go over to request your money and click on this. You'll need to be aware that your minimum payout will be $20, and you'll need to complete the KYC verification for enable to purchase or to pay out request. Once from here, you'll need to simply click on it once you've filled all these criteria. And from here, you'll either need to select RISE, USDT, or USDC to withdraw into your Binance account. Once from here, you'll need to click on the specific crypto coin that you want to withdraw. And from here, you'll then need to set in your crypto wallet from Binance. And you need to be very sure that it is the correct wallet address, or else the money will not go over to that specific wallet address. Once from here, you will simply need to click request, and within 24 hours you'll get an answer and payout from FundedNext to your Binance account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!